Hello guys, welcome back to my video. This is Harshvardhan from IIT Bhubaneswar. In the Python series, today we are going to proceed with assignment operators. First of all, we will discuss what is meant by assignment. Assignment is nothing but assigning a particular value to the variable. Suppose, now we will proceed. Assume that I have written like x equals to 5 and y equals to 2. Now here what I have done, I have done the assignment of 5 to x and 2 to y. Okay, now I will give a small equation like I need to update the value of x. So I will write here, okay, like update value, update value of x by x plus y. For that mathematically we will write as x equals to x plus y. Now what will happen? First of all, right hand side will execute. First execute. It will execute first. What will happen? X is added with y. So x value is 5 plus 2. It is equal to 7. So 7 is added x plus y and 7 is assigned to value of variable of x. So finally, now the x value equal to 7. Is there any change in the y value? No, because for y you didn't have updated anything. So y value remains 2. Okay, this is what assignment operation. Now we will look, is there any short way to write this equation? We have written equation as x equal to x plus y. Is there any short equation that we can write in our programming language? Of course, it is very short and we uses only like two variables only single time. Here x is used twice, one time, here two time, but y is only used one. But the equation that I am telling, which will be much more useful to you in the programming language, just write x updated one in the left hand side, non-updated in the right hand side. Suppose you need to do plus operation. Okay, the sign which is here use as a first and the equal to use as a second. But so this is what you need to follow. So x plus equal to y. That's simple. This is the simple equation that you need to write. Suppose I need to update y. So my equation is y equal to x plus y. So the variable which is need to be updated will be written on left side. The variable which should not be updated is written on right hand side. Plus operation is going. So plus equal to. So in this simple manner we can write this equation. So these are the equations that you need to remember. This is called assignment operation. So you are watching carefully that assignment is going. You can ask me, sir, whether we have only option of using plus? No. For like if you want to do subtraction operation, you can do subtraction. If you want to do multiplication operation, you can do multiplication operation as you want. For subtraction operation, we will write like x equal to x minus y. Now you only try to decode it x minus equal to y. That is all. For multiplication, x equal to x into y. So we will write here x into equals to y. Okay. We can do division. Yes, of course we can do division. We will use a division as x equal to x by y. So I will write x by equals to y. That's simple. In this simple manner, we can write our equations in a simpler manner. I think at the beginning phase, it might look tough to you, but once you adopt it to this programming language, you feel more like x plus equal to y is more comfortable than writing x equal to x plus y. Okay, now we will see the practical implementation in Python book. Okay, now let's proceed. Suppose I will take the value from the input user x equal to int input enter x value. Okay, I'm taking x value from the user, like I'm taking 5. Okay, now I can use a small letter 10. So if I proceed, I will take 5. So x value I have taken. So in the same way, I will take y value, y equal to int input enter y value. If I enter the y value as a 2 and I proceed, now I will ask my system what is the value of x. If I type x, it will give 5. If I type y, it will give 2. Wonderful. Now I need to implement the equation in a normal form, like x equal to x plus y. If I execute it, it is executed. Then where is the value? Now I will check the value here. X, I will process. It came as a value as 7. If you observe carefully, my original x value is 5, y value is 2. After processing this equation, x equal to x plus y. 5 plus 2, 7. So x is allotted with the value of 7. Now hope you understand how these mathematical calculations are going. Okay, now we'll proceed. The same equation will be written in the form of a shortcut. So I will use, now as the value has changed, I will update my equation back to x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. There is no update of y, but I am update. I am just writing. Okay. Now, if I proceed further, I will use like x plus equals to y. That's it. If I execute it, it is executed. And if I run for the x value, it has shown as a 7. Wonderful. So you have given as x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. And you are told that x plus equal to y. So x is given as a 7. Wonderful. Okay, that is what we need to learn. So instead of using the lengthiest equation x equal to x plus y, just use x plus equal to y. Okay, now hope you got a clarity of how we need to use it. Now I will check the y value whether y value is updated or not. If I check the y value, it is a 2. So we can clearly see that there is no update in the y, but there is an update in the x. Okay. Now I will update my x and y values back to 5 and 2. So x equal to 5, I have updated. Now I will use this subtraction operation. So first of all, I will proceed with normal. X equal to x minus y. Forgot it equal sign. So x equal to x minus y. If I type, it came as a 3. Of course, because 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Now I will update the x value back to 5 and proceed with our syntax like x minus equal to y. And what is the x value? It is of course 3. Okay, now hope you understand why these equations are familiar because of their shortcutness. So whether you execute it in the form of x equal to x minus y, or you are getting x equal to 3, or you are executing as x minus equal to y, you are getting x value equal to 3. Okay, now we will execute the same for the remaining like multiplication, division. We will see whether it is really coming or not. So I will update my x back to 5 and I will use like x equal to x into y. What is value of x? Of course, because 5 into 2 is 10 and it is assigned to the 10. Now I will update x value back to 5. For our convenience, I am updating so that you can refer clearly. Okay, I will rub this. Okay, I have rubbed this. Now, so I will use like x for multiplication. So my star equal to y. That's it. If I execute and type yes, it came as a 10. Wonderful. So this is how the addition, multiplication, subtraction operations are going. And now I keep on updating the x value for our convenience so that you can easily access with the original equation versus the modified equation. Okay, this is what you can do. Now we are going to update with division. So in general division, I will use x equal to x divided by y. If I run and execute, it came as a 2.5. As I have told this is a normal division. So you are doing like 5 by 2. So you will get as 2.5. In order to get 2, you need to use double lines. Okay. So remember this carefully. It is a float division, that is a integer division. Okay. Now, now if I use this, I will update my x value back to 5 and I will use my shortcut x line equal to y. If I tell x, it is again a 2.5. So you can clearly see the difference. There is no difference. Like here x equal to 2.5, here also x equal to 2.5. Okay. Hope you got some clarity how this operation works. In the same manner, you try for these equations like, okay, now we are moving further. Now I'm back updating my values to 5 and now I will do like integer division. So normally x equal to x, y. If I update it, the value should be 2 of course. Now I will proceed with my method like x double line equal to y. If I see the x value, it's again 2. So there is no difference. In any way you proceed, you will get the same answer. Okay, this is how assignment operator works. Now it's your duty to do this activity like I will open the fresh page. Now it's your duty to do for percentage like x equal to x percentage y and for exponential like x equal to x exponential of y. So for this question, you try to do in your Jupyter notebook and or any online editor and give me the answers in the comment box. Okay. So if you really like my content, please like the video, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel and try to grow my channel as much as possible and I will try to upload the valuable content like every day. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.